नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कारा,
वनक्कम,
खुशामदीद,
सलाम अलैकुम,
सत श्री अकाल,
मेघांतरी की वंदनमो,
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय जनेन्द्र।
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं या अली मदद।
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मंत्र को बोलेंगे नीसा बुला बदजन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और धमाकेदार सैटरडे वाली शाम, टोटली लाइव एंड टोटली मस्तानी।
ट्रू द बदजन। ऑफ कोर्स आप बोल रहे होंगे, सोच रहे हैं धमाकेदार कैसे, व्हाट इज धमाकेदार अबाउट टुडे शो? वेल बजन, लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग। हमने एक्चुअली 24th of May actually we did a very awesome nice show, and that was actually a show which we dedicated to the wonderful foundation called Saloni Heart Foundation. And in that foundation, if you remember guys, Branjan, we actually had the founders of the foundation come in, and we actually did a very special show where bandhus from our local Bay Area actually came in, and they actually performed some wonderful songs for us, right Fatwani?
Right, absolutely. And what a super duper hit it was. And that's why, remember, we had told you that there's going to be like a cliffhanger and there's going to be a follow up on that. So we requested Milanli ji from Saloni Heart Foundation, one of the co-founders of that wonderful organization, to join us back right here. We call her pyar se Milli ji because my mouth is like, I can't say the whole
that's
thing.
so sweet the way you said it, Fatwani.
Yeah.
But
so,
even more sweeter is the smile for Millie Ji. Millie Ji, welcome. How are you doing?
how you doing?
Thank you so much. I'm doing very well. And thank you, Radio Day Hearties, the amazing supporters and friends of Saloni Heart Foundation, for an overwhelming response we received in the last show on May 24th. And on popular demand and request, we are bringing this Father's Day special. Stay tuned till the very end for incredible performances by our super talented children from all over the Bay.
And that's exactly what it is. In fact, they're going to have a treat for you guys today, pretty much. And Faltrani, do you know what's going to happen now, next?
Absolutely.
What?
We're going to get a special celebrity non-profit leader
Uh-huh.
to talk a little bit about what he thinks about this particular organization and how he has been involved, and to talk a little bit about this particular cause. So we will be bringing on, of course, our very own Murli Krishnamurthy ji to tell us a little bit about what his thoughts are.
Dear all, this is Murli here. First of all, thanks to Radio Dehoitis for this great opportunity. Appreciate it. And kudos to Mrinalini and Himanshu. In spite of a tragedy in their life where they lost their beautiful 13-year-old daughter Saloni, they are trying to help others who are in the similar situation by sharing their knowledge, their resources, raising funds. That's the beauty of life. So what a beautiful transformation is happening. They are converting their experience into helping others. So I'll be singing parts of 2 songs. I don't want to take up too much time. It's basically dedicated to people like Mrinalini and Himanshu who are working for others. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है. I consider myself very fortunate and lucky in life, first of all, for getting this opportunity to start Sankara Eye Foundation back in the year 1998. Many such golden opportunities came my way. One is the inauguration of the Anand Gujarat Hospital in 2008, which was inaugurated by our then Chief Minister Narendra Modi. The person who was going to sing invocation did not come, so that turned out to be my opportunity. I sang this in front of Narendra Modi ji, Sankaracharya and others. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना आने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, सकल लोक मा सहुने वंदे, निंदा न करे के नीरे, वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी तेनी रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना आने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे. He or she is a Vaishnava who helps others and doesn't become proud of his helping. Saloni Heart Foundation is doing an amazing job, and we know them very well. I can see the transformation happening in both of them. What a positive way of converting their agony into helping others. Please go all out. Whatever you can afford, help them. Satisfaction guaranteed, and you can trust them wholeheartedly. Thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. Bye.
And what a wonderful way to say this, and what a nice prayer also, right? Vaishnava Janto Tenen Kahiye Je. Actually, it's a song of compassion and empathy,
Absolutely.
and that's exactly what we all would request everybody listening to us right now to actually exercise today. And notice how even the singers, performers today have come out of the love of singing, and one of the connection point for this was singing only, right?
Right, absolutely. And it's a very special show, Bindujan, a very poignant one. I do want to let you know that today's show right here on Radio Hotties is in dedication of Saloni Heart Foundation. We do have our the founders, in fact the co-founder who's sitting here in the studio with us, while the other co-founder who is it's a very moving show today because it is the father of Saloni, who's the other co-founder of the Saloni Heart Foundation, who is helping us with the technical aspects outside. But I do want to bring on Millie Ji again, and for the benefit of all our bandhus who are not aware of what Saloni Heart Foundation is, to talk to us a little bit about that. So Millie Ji, I know we know about Saloni Heart Foundation, lekin aap bataiye ki what is it, how did you get started, and how can bandhus support you?
Thank you so much, Faltu Rani. Let me begin by explaining the magnitude of the problem first. As per a recent research by All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, in India, every year, 9 out of 1,000 children, that is about 200,000 children, are born with congenital heart defect, out of which only 1/5 get treated. That is about 40,000 who have serious heart defects and that require treatment or intervention within the first year. Sadly, around only 10,000 get treated. So that means 30,000 children don't survive to see their first birthday. Besides premature deaths, The children suffering from heart disease struggle to live a normal life. They can't play, run, eat, sleep, or enjoy life like other children. Would you believe in India we have one cardiac center serves 16 million people just because India has only 130 cardiologists, that too pediatric cardiologists, and 110 pediatric cardiac surgeons in the entire country? A rickshawala's son, or even for that matter, a upper middle class parent in India cannot get access to a reliable and accountable pediatric heart specialist. Moreover, adult cardiac surgeons regularly perform surgeries on children without any specialized pediatric cardiac training and lack accountability. Saloni Heart Foundation is formed in the memory of our daughter Saloni. We believe every parent whose child is suffering from a heart ailment has the right to know the facts, seek best options to save their child. Saloni Heart Foundation facilitates world-class medical advice from highly reputed pediatric cardiologists and pediatric cardiothoracic surgeons from India and United States who are on our advisory board to provide free and unbiased second opinion to children with heart disease in India. Our motivation is our pain, loss, suffering. We believe we can change the fate of many such anguished parents by the power of knowledge of second opinion. This is the best and probably the only way to turn our pain and struggle into something positive and honor Saloni's memories and her fighting spirit. If you know a family in India whose child is suffering from heart problems, please connect them with us. You have the power to save a life.
And thank you so much for sharing that. I know it's really hard to come on air and talk about something over and over again where you've experienced the loss yourself. But it's incredible. Thank you so much for the work that you're doing, Millie ji, and also Himanshu ji, and everybody at Saloni Heart Foundation. So, Bandijan, if you'd like to support this organization, if you'd like to find out more about this particular cause, please go to their website, saloniheartfoundation.org. And on occasion of Father's Day, as we mentioned, we have a whole bunch of children who are going to be performing today. Let's start off with Athena and Alap Nair from Palo Alto.
सबसे तू हसीने हुस्ने वाली माना सब के तू दिलों में बसने वाली हाँ है नशा अदा भी नखरे वाली पर तारीफों से नहीं तू बढ़ने वाली करूं ओ न तेरे वाली पर तारीफों से नहीं तू मानने वाली रा रा ना 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 ओ रे ओ तारीफों से नहीं तू मानने वाली तू मानने वाली हाँ ना
Wow. And what a beautiful performance. I knew that, you know, I always liked Ali Zafar's performance better than Arijit Singh's.
Hey, that's a rocker version of
And-
it. That's why.
But I loved this one. The
Yeah, I
way
know.
Athena took it and made it her own. Very
Hey,
nicely
Alap
done.
also actually added the whole
Yes,
spice to it.
absolutely, absolutely, and beautiful. Very nicely done, kiddos. And Bandujan, this is the special Father's Day show that we're doing in honor of the Saloni Heart Foundation, and you're listening to a beautiful musical evening. And we have one after another performer that's going to be coming your way. So let's go on over to the next performer whose music is going to be coming on. This is Abhinav C from San Ramon.
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घन घोर अंधेरा भागे कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले लंबी सी डगर न खले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए आजाद गगन लहराए जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए सपनों में पली हंसती हो कली जहाँ शाम सुहानी ढले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले एक ऐसे गगन के तले एक
what a beautiful song, Abhinav. Thank you so much for rendering that during this musical break. I was talking to Millie G. Is it okay to share? This beautiful song is something that she sang as a Lori for Saloni. This particular song, so it holds a special place in their heart. Thank you for picking this particular song. Let's go on over to the next performer, who is Vaidehi Amit Karve, who is going to be performing a beautiful song from the movie Razi.
बच्चा से खान मजबूर दियो मेरो साथ म्यान बाय जानो बच्चा से खान मजबूर दियो मेरो साथ म्यान बाय जानो बच्चा से खान मजबूर उंगली पकड़ के तूने चलना सिखाया था ना दहलीज ऊंची है पार करा दे बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे मुड़ के ना देखो दिल बरो 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 फसल जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं है बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं है ओ फसल जो काटी जाए उगती नहीं है बेटियां जो ब्याही जाए मुड़ती नहीं है ऐसी विदाई हो तो लंबी जुदाई हो तो दहलीज दर्द की भी पार करा दे बाबा मैं तेरी मलिका टुकड़ा हूँ तेरे दिल का एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे मुड़ के ना देखो दिल बरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिल बरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिल बरो मुड़ के ना देखो दिल बरो
Very nicely rendered, Vaidehi. What a sweet voice, right, Millie Ji?
Yeah, I call it honey voice.
Yeah. बंधुजन, for those of you who are just joining us, हम आपको बता दें कि ये जो सुरीला प्रोग्राम आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो पे, ये है रेडियो डी हॉटीज़ का स्पेशल फॉर सलोनी हार्ट फाउंडेशन. It's a Father's Day special show, बंधुजन. And for those of you who are not aware of what Saloni Heart Foundation does, please visit their website saloniheartfoundation.org, and also you could I would urge every single one of you who are listening to us, if you want to be able to support this organization, please feel free to generously contribute. Go to saloniheartfoundation.org. Also, if you know some family in India or anywhere in the world who are actually have a child who's suffering from any kind of a heart ailment, please refer them to the Saloni Heart Foundation. They do have what they offer is second opinions. They connect you with the medical professionals. They also make sure that you can make an informed decision about your child's well-being and health. And at the same time, this wonderful organization also supports something where they encourage economically disadvantaged people in India to, if they want to pursue, children who want to pursue a medical degree or want to become a doctor,
Yeah,
this organization contributes and provides scholarships for them.
Correct, and this actually they've done some wonderful stuff in India. They plan to do more as well. As you know, Saloni Heart Foundation is a very young organization, but still they're doing a lot of things in terms of trying to support the community back in India as well.
Right.
Especially, the kids who actually have all the aptitude, have all the the skill and everything. Only thing which keeping them back is probably just the finances to get them into a medical college or a seat in medical college kind of thing. So it's a wonderful thing what they're doing. In fact, I have a wonderful clip I want to share with the co-founders of Saloni Heart Foundation actually talking about it. Can we quickly go take a look at it?
Yes, of course.
This is something which Himanshu actually he's interviewed in one of the regional televisions in Odisha, where they actually had sponsored one child to get into a medical school, right?
All right.
So here you go.
मैं हिमांशु सेठ कैलिफोर्निया यूएस से आया हूँ और हमने सलोनी हार्ट फाउंडेशन एक नॉन प्रॉफिट शुरू किया है अमेरिका में, जिसमें जिसका एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि हम एक बच्चे को उसकी मेडिसिन की MBBS की पढ़ाई के लिए 5 साल के लिए स्कॉलरशिप देते हैं। ये मेरी बेटी का सपना था। और दूसरा, हम जो इंडिया में बच्चे पैदा होते हैं जिनको हार्ट कंडीशन होती है, उनको दुनिया के जो बेहतरीन डॉक्टर हैं, स्टैनफोर्ड हॉस्पिटल या फिलाडेल्फिया चिल्ड्रंस हॉस्पिटल, उनके डॉक्टर्स हमारे पैनल पर हैं और वो सलाह देते हैं बिना किसी फ़ीस और बिना किसी बायस के, और उनको बताते हैं कि बच्चे की सही कंडीशन क्या है और ट्रीटमेंट के लिए कौन डॉक्टर उनका सही इलाज कर सकता है, और उनको गाइड करते हैं इंडिया में उस डॉक्टर के पास जाने के लिए। तो इसके लिए हमारे पास करीब 12 डॉक्टर है जो यूएस के टॉप हॉस्पिटल्स से हैं जो इस पैनल पर है, और इंडिया के डॉक्टर्स हैं जो काफ़ी सीनियर पीडियाट्रिक कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट और सर्जन्स हैं जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं।
So that was Himanshu, who actually, there was a video clip actually of Himanshu giving an interview in one of the television networks in India. You had.
So the child you all just saw in the video is Krishna Mohanty from Orissa. She lost her father when she was in 6th grade due to heart attack, and her mother raised her by selling flowers and idli in front of temples. All her relatives abandoned them in adversity, and little Krishna had a very struggleful life. She studied very hard while assisting her mother in daily business runs. She cleared the entrance exams, and today Saloni Heart Foundation has granted her full scholarship for 5 years for MBBS study, including tuition, hostel, meals, books, laptop. We want to thank our donors for their support and permanently changing the life of her and generations to come, and thousands of the patients she will be treating with utmost compassion she's achieved from you all. While Saloni's dream was cut short, but there are hundreds of children who aspire to be a doctor. Your generous donations to Saloni Heart Foundation would be able to support many of such aspirants and fulfill their dreams.
And of course, Vinjan, Saloni being the little feisty Gunda, if you remember.
The Dawn.
The Dawn.
I remember Saloni as a
From
Dawn.
the last
Yeah.
time that Millie G was here. Wanted to be a pediatric cardiothoracic surgeon, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken.
Yep.
Yeah, and it is very hard as a father to be sharing that also. And thank you so much, Himanshu ji, for for sharing your dream for Saloni and Saloni's dream and making other dreams come true through
Yeah.
the Saloni Heart Foundation. So, in dedication of Saloni's father and also all the fathers out there, this is another beautiful rendition from a young lady called Shri Pradha Manikantan. She's going to be performing for us. She's from North San Jose, and she's going to be performing a beautiful Neha Kakkar song called Papa.
मेरे सपने अपने समझकर पूरा उनको करते हो उन सपनों की कीमत क्या क्या सह के अदा करते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो दो कपड़े कम पास तुम्हारे तुमको ये नहीं परवारे बच्चों को कुछ कमी रहे ना इसी बात का झगड़ा है अपने लिए बाजार हो जाते मेरे लिए ले आते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो दुख हो चाहे सुख हो तुम्हारी आंखें नम नहीं होती है दिल से निकलती मेरे लिए दुआएं कम नहीं होती है गुस्से में कभी बात करूं तो मन ही मन सह जाते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो है मालूम के मेरी खातिर तुम जान भी दे सकते हो एक इंसान ही सारे जहां से मेरे लिए लड़ सकते हो मेरी तरफ एक आँच भी आए तो खुद आगे आ जाते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे कुछ नहीं कहते हो पापा खुद सब सहते हो हमसे नहीं कुछ कहते हो
And what a beautiful sentiment. Facebook पे बहुत सारे comments आ रहे हैं. Thank you so much, Shilpa ji. She says it's a very beautiful sentiment in this particular song, yes, and very nicely, very melodiously rendered by Shri Prada. So, Banjan, for those of you who would like to support the Saloni Heart Foundation, we urge you to please go check their website out at saloniheartfoundation.org if you'd like to get involved with their cause and support this wonderful organization. It is saloniheartfoundation.org. आगे बढ़ते हुए बहुत सारे बच्चों के गाने हैं. So there's another beautiful song that's coming up next. It is a performance by Anahita Mane, and she's from Fremont. She's going to be performing a lovely number called Moh Moh Ke Dhage.
मोह मोह के धागे मोह मोह के धागे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे ये कोई डोह डोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर हाथ सुलझे है रोम रोम एक तारा है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई डोह डोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर हाय सुलझे तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना तू होगा जरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू दिन साही मेरा ताना दोनों मिल जाए शाम की तरह ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई डोह डोह ना लागे किस तरह गिर हाय सुलझे
Wow, it's a beautiful song. Very nice composition. I can't believe that it's Annu Malik who composed it.
No,
But
it is. He is a very talented guy, anyways. But this song is a very nice song. And of course, if you're listening right now and you're wondering what's happening on today's show, Beria Bakbak generally is having it's a very nice, heart-touching show. हाँ, कभी-कभार करना पड़ता है यार. And of course, we have kids from all over the Bay Area.
Yeah.
We have kids all the way from Fremont, Palo Alto, Saratoga, Sunnyvale, right? All those places.
all over the place. And of course, very nicely rendered Anahita. Next, the person whom we're going to be bringing on is another beautiful song that beautiful performer actually, one of our undercover rock stars.
Yes, undercover
junior
rock star
undercover
of
rock star.
2017, right?
Yeah.
2017.
Sanika Pandey, and also one of our allies. So I'm really eager to find out what she has sent in.
Yeah.
So Dil Tham Ke Baithega Bandajan, another beautiful Father's Day dedication coming up.
Ladies and gentlemen, a son is a son till he gets himself a wife. But a daughter is a daughter all her life.
पापा की परी हूँ मैं आई मैं आई नीले गगन से लाई मैं लाई तारों को चुन के मेरे लिए जो बना है सुन ले जहाँ तो छुपा है पाना मुझे मुश्किल है फूलों जैसे मेरा दिल है आकर देख ले पापा की परी हूँ मैं मम्मी के दिल में एक बात आई जल्दी से लड़की की कर दो सगाई लड़के का पहले फोटो दिखाया फिर मुझसे पूछा पसंद आया मैंने कहा ना रे ना 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 लड़का जो देखने आएगा मुझको ना मैं शर्माऊंगी ना पलके झुकाऊंगी ना मुस्कुराऊंगी ना मैं रिझाऊंगी ना मैं उसको चल के दिखाऊंगी चाहे कहे वो मुझे वाह 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 मेरे लिए जो बना है सुन ले जहाँ तो छुपा है पाना मुझे मुश्किल है फूलों जैसे मेरा दिल है आकर देख ले पापा की परी हूँ मैं
Oh my God, Papa ki pari, I can imagine totally.
Yeah.
I think all daughters are paris of the fathers.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's so true.
And yeah, Sanu, looks like you haven't lost your touch. So we're very, very happy. Nice
yeah.
performance. And of course, Altu Baba,
Yes.
what do we have lined up next?
Next, I have how about a live performance?
A live performance?
Yes, live performance. You know who's going to come up?
Ala Prag.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. So there's a beautiful Tamil song that he's going to be rendering for us, Banujan. This is, of course, another dedication to the Saloni Heart Foundation's Father's Day special right here on Radio Dehori.
கண்ணான கண்ணே கண்ணான கண்ணே என் மீது சாயவா புண்ணான நெஞ்சை பொன்னான கையா பூ போல நீவவா நான் காது நின்றேன் காலங்கள் தூரும் என் ஈகும் தீருமா நான் வாது நின்றே பொன்வானம் எங்கும் என் மின்னால் தோன்றுமாய் தண்ணீராய் மிகும் துரும் கண்ணீர் சேரும் கற்கண்டாய் மாறுமா ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ கண்ணான கடலின் நடுவே அலைந்திடவாதனியே பதகனவே உனையே பார்த்தேன் கண்ணே புதை மணலில் விழுந்து புதந்திரவாயிருந்தேன் குருநகையே இணைந்தே மீதாய் என்னே விண்ணோடும் மண்ணோடும் வாடும் பெருமூஞ்சல் மனதூரும் கண்பட்டு நூல் விட்டு போகும் என ஏதோ பயம் கூடும் மகிழ் ஒன்றி பார்க்கிறேன் மழையாகி ஆடினேன் இந்த உற்சாகம் போதும் சாக தோன்றும் இதே வினாடி கண்ணான கண்ணே கண்ணான கண்ணே என் மீது சாயவா பொன்னான நெஞ்சை பொன்னான கையால் பூ போல நேவவா நீ தூங்கும் போது உன் நெற்றி மீது முத்தங்கள் வைக்கணும் பூவைகள் போற்றி போகாமல் தாழ்த்தி நான் காவல் காக்கணும் எல்லோரும் தூங்கும் நேரம் நானும் நீயும் மௌனத்தில் பேசணும் ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ கண்ணான கண்ணே கண்ணான கண்ணே
Wow, wow, wow.
What a rendition.
Powerful voice. I
I
tell
know.
you. Very nicely done, Ala Prag. Thank you so much.
I really like to see people who are very tall.
Yeah.
That guy was really tall. थोड़ा उसका ऊपर का hair style cut हो गया था. I'm not kidding, but actually it happens. कभी-कभार बड़े लोग ऐसे होता है. It happens to me also, Fatwa. Look
Yeah,
at me
yeah,
right now, my head is getting cut on top.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why I'm growing my hair right now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So he stood tall and you sang tall, and thank you so much, Alap. It was a beautiful rendition. Iman's composition, I would have said our very own Bay Area Sid Sriram, but Sid Sriram is from the Bay Area. So,
exactly.
Yeah, he's the original singer of the song, but, Alap did us proud with this number. Very nicely done. Next, Banuchan, is a very special surprise that's going to be coming up. This is a group song, and it's...
Actually, group song is going to go afterwards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we first have the group song is a surprise. Yes, you're right. It's a very sweet surprise. Everybody who actually had to go get a cup of chai or coffee, go do it right now. Because when you come back, the group song is going to be special because we have special appearance in the group song also.
Oh, really?
And it was so sweet. I really, it warmed my heart when I saw the particular group song.
Yeah.
All the friends of Saloni are there. And should I give it out?
I don't
No,
know.
not yet. But we'll tell you after we come back to this special song. We have a beautiful song from Maya,
Yeah.
who actually sent us an entry right now. She's
Maya Chivukula.
from
Oh.
Almaden.
Yeah.
And I think she's singing an English song.
It's a beautiful number, Banujan. It's a song called Wind Beneath My Wings. Here you go.
Must have been cold there in my shadow to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walked a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strain. Beautiful face without a name for so long. A beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero? I can fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth. Of course I know that I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. And I can fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything, everything I wish I could be. And I could fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. You are the wind beneath my wings.
And indeed, our parents are always the wind beneath our wings. In fact, I used to sing the song for my mom. But this is a beautiful dedication that came from Maya. So right now we're almost out of time, so we're going to quickly go into the surprise.
Yeah, we
Who
go
wants
in-
to let me know?
I give the surprise for sure, but I think we come to the close of our show already. And thank you, everybody, who actually sent in the entries from all over the Bay Area. And thank you, Milji, for coming and sharing this with us again. Every time we come on our show, it's like we kind of build some sweet memories. So, anything you want to tell our bandhus today before we
You're
go?
right. We do build sweet memories every time we come onto the show. With every day's experience, carrying on Saloni Heart Foundation, and on behalf of Saloni Heart Foundation and its board, I would like to thank Radio De Hotties for giving us this opportunity to go on air, and all our amazing, talented child vocalists and their parents who have contributed their time for this cause, and you listeners, for giving us your time and attention. Again, please donate generously. Double your impact of donations through corporate matching. And most importantly, if you know any family in India whose child is suffering from any sort of heart problems, please connect them. You have the power to save a life. And thank you so much, and God bless you all.
And yes, thank you again, everybody. So if you want to donate right now, we can go to the website for sure. We're going to post the link for you guys on the same feed over here, which you're seeing right now. And
The website is saloniheartfoundation.org. Every cause comes from something which is a very personal story, Banjan. And today, Father's Day was a day that Saloni Heart Foundation chose to do as a dedication and bring a musical tribute. And this is going out to all the fathers out there, and also Saloni's father. And I want to say that thank you for everything that you are, and of course to all the moms who play the role of fathers as well, all the single moms out there as well, all the uncles who are stepping up as fathers, and everybody who's in the father figure kind of role, and all the grandpas out there too. Wish you all a very, very happy Father's Day on behalf of Saloni Heart Foundation, Media Mahima, Radio De Hotties. We are going to leave you with this final surprise.
yeah,
a
the
very cute
surprise.
surprise.
Yeah, it's a cute surprise. I think we already gave out a little bit of it, saying that all the friends of Saloni are there in that. So let's ask Millie. Millie, you want to share the surprise?
Yeah. So besides Saloni's friends, Saloni herself is there in this song. One
That's
of our
true.
memories we've shared.
Yeah. And Balanjan, so again, thank you so much. I'm going to leave you with this song right now, and we will see you in the next hour for sure. And abhi ke liye, this is the signing off song for today's Saloni Heart Foundation special.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. If you're tossing and turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. We'll never let go, never say goodbye. You know you can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.